G'day all, this is my B01 ball top monitor engine that I recently got from EngineDiyShop. Now I've got about a dozen of the hit and miss engines from OKMO Microcosm. This one's from OKMO Microcosm as well. They all jump around to an extent. This one probably jumps around to the less extent than all the other ones, but it's still got a little bit of a, when it hits and misses, it's still got a little bit of a jump. So I got a bit of 12mm steel, cut it out on the bandsaw, sprayed it red, drilled 4 holes through, put some rubber feet on it, and I've countersunk the holes on this side so that I can sit the screws that are going to go through that and up into the base, so it will sit nicely, and that's going to sit about like that. So I reckon that is going to, that's going to add a fair bit of weight to that engine, and I'm hoping that that is enough to take the that bit of a bounce out of it. Here's hoping. Okie doke, outside now. Let's see how this weight helped, if it stopped it jumping around. Turn her on. I love the way that starts, with the hand start so easy. Okay, that's pretty well anchored. There's still a very slight jump. I'm surprised the weight of that 12mm steel block of steel. I thought that would have anchored that like it was bolted to the bench, but no, I'm pretty happy with that. No, I think I should be pleased with that. A little bit of movement. This cork, I've put this cork on some plywood. It's not perfectly flat. There's definitely a jump here at the front. No, I think I've got to be happy with that. I don't mind the look of that red underneath the wooden base either. Can't believe this is such a beautiful engine. Yep, I think I'm sold on that. I think I'm happy with that. Compared to some of the other hit and miss engines that I've got, even I've mentioned it before, even putting it in a vise, they literally want to smash themselves to pieces. Especially the ones that are on top of the, I think they're domino, the old domino boxes, wooden boxes with you slide the bottom out to get to the battery. No, I am. I was a bit disappointed at the very start, but I'm not now. I think I'm happy. That's anchored that pretty well, and I'm super happy how that's running. It must be going to run out of petrol soon. It's been running for ages on that one tank so far. I've been mucking around with it all day. But now I don't have to keep my hand on it. I've had a dive weight on this end, and I had a dive weight on this end. And I've been holding it down. That's great. Oh, I'm happy.